Now you see this, now you don't. I'm Patrick Poon, the creator of this tech-bit electronic cube. I'm sure a lot of people would be all familiar with what's on the market as a steam toy. The Dual Pro Lego bricks is one of them. These are all plastic bricks, very good for um, developing the creativity of every child, and it's been popular for now 60 years plus. And also another one is very popular the last few years is this magnetic tile, and these also contains all the magnets and then you can build things and very creative for every child. So our product, the uniqueness of this is very simple to build with magnets, very simple, easy to connect, and it could be formed into a shape, a very simple shape or a complicated shape very easily. And so every child, a toddler, can handle this. And this is designed and approved for 1-year-old toddlers. Basically, this is a electronic cube that you connect and lights up. There's nothing like that on the market in comparison. So your child from 1 year old on, you can play with that to learn about electronics and also color. From the right color, you could change it to a color changing mode. So hope you can see that. And also magnetism, how the magnet works. How come this one connects all the time? And then the construction, obviously, you can construct something like that very easily, and you can deconstruct. Please take a look at this diagram. It's not difficult to understand. Tech-bit electronic cubes are made for STEAM education. It has all the components required in building this part or this item that involves science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. It's not difficult to understand. The electronic cubes can help to ignite the creativity of your children from 1 year old through kindergarten, primary school, high school, university, and PhDs, and then teaching their own kids afterwards. I'm sure people will ask, it seems expensive on our product. May I take this opportunity and explain a little bit more about this product? So a set will contain 26 pieces, and out of the 26 pieces, each one, if I break this out, has 4 magnets on each per cube. So 4 times 26 is a large number, and each of these magnets is a high power magnet made from rare earth. It's get very expensive to construct. Also, this is the contact part, which is the conductor, and this also per piece, 2 on each piece. It's very well built. The expense definitely worth it. Our detailed design of this little centerpiece, which connects the magnets. These are very well built, and this material is polypropylene. Polypropylene is used in your life hinges that you could keep folding forever, and this is a kind of material, and each of these magnets is trapped inside this here, and you can never break this. And when this trapped within the compartments, is very solid. In comparison, these magnetic tiles, how they contain the magnets is by sonic welding, ABS material, not polypropylene, ABS, because polypropylene cannot be really sonic welded. ABS is pretty sturdy, but step on it like this. If this breaks off, it gets very dangerous because of the magnet. But polypropylene, no, you cannot break it. You can squeeze it into this shape and still it won't break. This is the special quality of the polypropylene. So our design is so well built, you won't worry about it. And also the construction of this, I'll show you. Normally the drop test requirement is from the height of the table, and I'll demonstrate to you a double height of this to drop it and see how that functions. Okay, this level is here. Let's do this, and we drop this from here. Okay, Oops, you can see this one. And it still works. Okay, let's try one more. And I can stand on this. And if you see any damage, it's very well built. This will last you for a few years, if not 10 years. So in comparison, if you consider that, these regular cubes can last a long, long time. These two cubes are dropped from at least 2 meters high or almost 3, and it's still functioning well. And after even I stepped on it my weight, and you don't worry about the magnets coming off like this one does, which is very dangerous if any magnets come loose. And we have this well built. These are the different types of cubes available. This is the light cube, which has the white band around here and different colors. We have about 6, 7, 8 different colors. And this is the power cube. The power cube with the red band in between, and the one side is like this and the other with a button. So if you push on it, then it will light up here. And the white cube, these are single color, just cubes. And whereas this can change color. And the white cube or transparent clip, you can change color, by turning it. And this one will become color changing, okay? And this one is, if you have the speaker grill here and turn it around, this one is the music cube, this one is a recorder cube, and this is the mic opening, and this is also a recorder cube with the sensor opening. The round hole is for the sensing, and this one again is the microphone, and this one just press to activate. But this doesn't have a power. This has to connect to a power to work. So without the power, it won't work. So make sure you have to connect the power to put it work. And the recorder, if you turn it around, then it will stop. When if you turn it to the red light comes on, this is operating, and same as this one. So I put it this way and then turn it around, then it won't work. Okay, so hope you like it. And the power cube is simple. If you press to record, just press until you hear a sound. Oh, sorry, this is a white color. It has to be the red color. The red color comes on, then you can. Hello, testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so make sure you don't cover the mic hole when you do the recording. So you press again, it should. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, same as this one. This can be triggered by a sensor switch. If you wave your hand, it will trigger. Today, and hope you enjoyed it. Hello, we want to do a demonstration of the recorder today. So hope you like this. Turn it around, then it will shut off. Make sure, sometimes the power is low. Make sure the power is enough. There is enough power to power the thing. At the night time, on your couch, beside your couch in the sitting room or in the bedroom, the nighttime becomes a very decorative lighting or night light for the kids. And in the daytime, of course, you can build almost the same. And in the daytime, even if this is without the lights on, and you can see it very pretty already with the chrome surface, and it works really well in comparison with plastic. STEM education of this about electronics or electricity. Let's say if I turn this around, it shorted the circuitry. And if I turn this around as well, then it come on again. And how about if I turn this around, it's shorted again. And if I turn this around, then it's okay again. So imagine the kids 1 year old up can learn about how electric current being shorted in a very short time frame. This is part of the learning. One more thing is that if you put it for a little bit longer, then I would suggest that you need to clean off these contact points with a mild cleaner with a cloth. Wet it up and then just clean off. Could be some oxidations on the contact area then you just roll it over and then to the other side. So all four sides, if you occasionally do a little bit cleaning, that would help. Okay. The cost of this product, let's say, let's for the argument's sake, $100, and if that could last you for 5 years, then it would be $20 for 1 year. And in normal case, most of the toy product may last a few months, and that's it. We can last almost like the Lego bricks does, but electronic cubes, and that could light up and make sound, and also you could do recording with this unit. And we will have more different functional modules to come, and that may include programming cubes too. Your kid definitely need this to ignite their creativity from 1 year old onwards, and keep on developing his skills and have fun.